So I was in a school, a long time ago now, and there was a young lad who was very, very busy, very chatty, very disruptive. And I always think that those people, they are the storytellers. But everyone was a bit fed up with this boy. And I said to him, will you come and help me with this story? And he loved it. And I said, but I'm going to set you a task. And I wonder if you would be prepared to accept it. And he sort of, okay, maybe. And I said, when you go home, I want you to observe something for 3 whole minutes. Now, this isn't as easy as it sounds. I want you to go and find a spider's web or some ants that are just going across your grass, or stand with a tree, anything you like, but I want you to stay for a full 3 minutes and observe. Are you willing to accept my challenge? And he said he was, and off everybody went. Anyway, I came back the following week and we did our storytelling. He was much calmer than I remembered him the time before, but he was engaged. And towards the end of the class, I said, I believe that I need this young lad to come and help me with the story. And he came forward, and I was blown away by the opening of the story that he told, because the description in it was absolutely beautiful. And I knew that he had observed, even if it had been for 30 seconds. And what it did was it took him into a story that was really, really grounded. And then he took off, and his own imagination and his own joy and his own disruption, which was glorious, took him the rest of the way. But I've never forgotten that. And maybe he will also remember it. Who knows?